name?
Joseph Thibodeau.
And where are you from?
Right now I'm from Largo, Florida.
And how did you find NSI?
Through the internet.
All right, and what brought you to NSI?
Well, I've heard from different people, especially a chiropractor friend of mine, who told me that people that were using stem cells for a lot of different reasons, for joints, also for diabetes too, and he mentioned a couple of other areas, so it put a kind of a question mark in my head because of the fact that I wanted to get off the medication that I'm taking because of side effects. So I got on the internet and I found the local integrated wellness program that do stem cell, and saw Dr. Eric Edgerton, and I guess through our communications of back and forth, he kind of convinced me to give it a shot, and I made the commitment to do so.
And now, what kind of pain were you experiencing? What kind of effects were you having that brought you here to NSI?
Well, pain, I never had any. But I was taking naps in the middle of the day all the time. I felt real tired quite a few times. And my normal body functions were not working the way it should be, and that's because of the side effects of the medication that I'm taking for my diabetes too. And that was the reason I came here. I didn't come here with any pain whatsoever.
All right. Now, when was your stem cell procedure?
My stem cell procedure was, I guess it was about 10 days ago. I don't know the exact date. Probably I think around the 11th, March the 11th.
All right. And how long did your procedure last?
From start to finish, probably about 2.5 hours, I would say, no more.
And how did you feel during the stem cell procedure?
I felt good.
All right. And how did you feel 24 hours after the stem cell procedure?
I still felt good.
All right. And now you're 10 days out, approximately.
I feel terrific.
Feeling good. Now, is there anything you're able to do so far that now that you notice that you weren't able to do before? Such as has your medications lowered or anything of that nature?
Well, I've already dropped one medication according to my medical doctor. Said that I didn't need to take it because my numbers were much better than what they used to be. And I guess the rest of whatever comes along, the nurse here have told me that it just takes a little time.
Now, yes. Now, stem cells, they are constantly regrowing themselves. And so in 3 months, what are you hoping for?
Well, what I'm hoping in 3 months is to get rid of 2 of the medication that's giving me still side effects. I got rid of 1, and now I need to get rid of 2 more, and then after that, it'll all be a joy.
All right. Now, would you recommend NSI Wellness Stem Cell Procedure to your family and friends?
Yes, I would. I've already recommended it to one individual that has type 2 diabetes like I do. And of course, him and I talk about it all the time, and he kind of teased me on some of the things that I'm not doing that I was doing before, like eating everything I shouldn't be eating. But I think he can see the improvement in me, he told me, and I can feel the improvement in me.